Molweni. I'm doing this video just to answer some few questions that I normally receive from the learners or students who will be rewriting upper May and June 2026 as they are preparing for their examination. The first question I normally receive from them, they ask me which topics should they focus on as they are preparing for the examination. So the answer to that question, they should study and focus on all the topics according to the examination guideline, whereby we have four main topics there. The first topic is called macroeconomics. The second one is microeconomics. The third one is economic pursuits. The fourth one is contemporary economic issues. So if they are preparing their examination, they must focus and study all those four main topics. There will be paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is under two main topics. It's under macroeconomic and economic pursuits. Paper 2 is under microeconomics and the contemporary economic issues. So they must study all those four main topics. And then the second question that I receive, they normally ask which essays will appear on the NSC question paper upper May and June. And then others, they even ask which essays are Puma eGauteng, which essays are Puma KZN, and so on. So the answer is simple. You will be writing NSC, which is National Senior Certificate Examination, whereby it is a common paper. Whether you are in KZN or Gauteng, Eastern Cape, you will be writing a common paper. Akho essay yaseGauteng ne-essay yase-KZN. Izawubhala iphepha eliyona elifanayo. So according to the examination guideline, you will find out that there's a list of essays. Each and every topic phaya, there will be an essay ezawuchaza bonke kule topic ithile. Here are the essays. For instance, under circular flow, there's an essay whereby it discusses the markets in the four-sector model. So to answer the question about which essays are Puma NSC question paper for May and June, the answer there, I cannot tell the exact essay that will be assessed on May and June examination, but I can predict the essays looking at the previous question papers of NSC. For instance, the essays that appeared last year on June, May, and November, December examination, surely those essays will not appear again for NSC examination this year, either June or December. But I normally advise learners or students to study all the essays that are provided in the examination guideline, because whether Landau or whether la topic ibuzwe as essay or not, but I can tell you la topic le yamhlambi i-essay question according to the examination guideline ibuzwe as i-long question pha section B, or ibuzwe mhlambi pha section A pha multiple choice questions. So to answer the question about which essays are Puma, I cannot tell which essays are Puma. You must study all the essays that have been listed in the examination guideline, whether you are Puma or you are Puma. But if ever you study all those essays, you'll be on the safe side. And then for those who will be writing upper May and June, the timetable for NSC examination, which is National Senior Certificate Examination, it's out already. So I believe you all received the emails with your timetables. If not, you can just check it online. There is a timetable power online. You can just Google it. So if Manupale NSC May and June 26 examination timetable. So if money corner pa. So those will be writing economics no May and June. Paper 1, it's written, will be right. Paper 1. kuzobhalwa nge-26 kaMeyi 2026. So for paper 1, economics, it will be written on 26 May 2026. Then paper 2 will be written on the 17th of June 2026. So good luck.